My name is Richard Paelli. I'm the president of Boyer Steel Incorporated.
My name's Mike Desmond. I'm vice president of Boyer Steel.
We trace our roots back to the late 1800s with Boyer Campbell Company.
We're a service center of steel metal products, tubes, stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon.
We sell square, rectangle, and round tubes, and also round pipe.
For over 40 years we were down in Detroit, and we had a fire. We were forced to move out of that building. At that time we looked at numerous places, mainly because of the speed at which we had to move. We didn't have a lot of choices.
We did some searching and found this facility here in Warren that was very well suited for our needs.
And we were right on the corner of 696 and Groesbeck. Well, if you go up Groesbeck, the amount of business that's in that area in Macomb is quite unbelievable compared to other spots in the country.
When we acquired the building, while they had skylights, which were very nice, they also had 31,000 watt metal halide bulbs out there to provide light, and they were pretty old. So when we started looking, we found out that the cost of running those things was just phenomenal. I mean, there was 30,000 watts just for our lighting.
Little things like lighting that you wouldn't think much of, but once you replace your lights, it was quite amazing the difference that the room made.
And we ended up going with the fluorescent tubes, and they were much more efficient, so we were able to install as many light fixtures as we had previously, but with the new, more efficient lighting, it helped reduce our energy usage by about 20%.
We took the initiative to do something about the situation we were in, and it turned out even better than we thought.